So here's our chicken feet, guys. I bought this one like $1 lang per 500 grams. So this chicken feet, tatanggalin lang natin yung ano niya, yung kuko, yung nails. I'm gonna discard the nails. Hindi na, sa washing machine. Tanggalin mo yung basahan, tapos ilagay mo sa hanger.
Saan yung hangin?
Yan, then i-boil natin siya. Pre-boil natin para ano lang ma-discard yung mga bacteria or anong mga germs na nakakapit dyan sa outer skin niya. And then we're gonna strain that one, and then we're gonna start to cook it already. Just pre-boil like 5 to 10 minutes, and then wash, strain, and yeah. So guys, today we're gonna use orange instead of vinegar because we have lots of orange here. We're gonna use that one as the acid. But if you have vinegar, you have lemon, you can use that one. Any acid um, na pwedeng gamitin mo sa pang-kontra sa alat. So, same adobo ingredients. But instead of using vinegar, we're gonna use orange juice, fresh orange juice. Just squeeze it and put it everything on. Laurel, black pepper, soy sauce, and orange juice, fresh orange juice. Yeah. So just be creative. What you have in your home na pwedeng pangpalit, gamitin nyo. Kasi here we have lots of orange here. So I'm gonna use this one. And guys, so always remember if you're going to use the soy sauce and acid ratio. For me, I use like 3 is to 1 or 2 is to 1 only. More on soy sauce. And for example, 2 soy sauce, 1 acid, either orange or vinegar. Here we're gonna add some little sesame oil also. So going back to the ratio, I'm sticking to 3 is to 1 soy sauce or acid, then 2 is to 1 soy sauce acid. So mas gusto ko mas lamang ng konti yung alat sa acid. Meron yung iba kasi mas nag-1 is to 1 sila. Ako yung masyadong acid. And using orange, mas ano siya, little sweeter and less na sour compared sa vinegar and sa lemon. So I think the taste will be good. Maging slight citrusy lang siya. So we're gonna add also some black pepper and some brown sugar. Yan. So ito, just put some water and some oil on the last para gagawin natin siyang tuyo kasi we're gonna make it dry. So we have this water. Yan. And then we'll just boil this one. If you have chili flakes, you can also use that one. You have fresh chili, you can use para may anghang yung may cake. Because dito I have kids, so nila ako less spicy. As you can see guys, it's boiling na. Then we'll just simmer it down later. After it boiled, you can simmer it down. After it's yung liquid niya nag-half na, that's the time we're gonna simmer it. And then slow cook na tayo after. Yan, so medyo nag-dry na siya. That's the time we're gonna add the oil, sunflower, corn oil, or any oil you have. So yung oil na yun, parang ang labas niya is magiging dry adobo siya. And we're gonna cook like, it's like cooking it in its own oil. Then dagdag din tayo ng konting oil. Much better kasi pag tuyo, dry adobo than with the sauce. For me, I prefer when you're cooking chicken feet, I'd prefer the dried one. So here's our orange adobo. Better try this one guys. Nice to. So mga iba naman yung twist.